Good day! So for today's video ay mag-i-install tayo ng printer at i-deploy natin ito within our group policy. Sino ba naman lang may ayaw mag-print within the network, diba? Napaka-convenient. Okay, to do that, open natin yung server manager. Hintayin lang natin siya mag-load. Okay, once done, click natin yung tools. Hanapin natin sa tools yung print management. Yan. Once na lumabas yung print management dialog box, expand lang natin tong printer. So, naka-expand na siya. Expand natin tong ating local, yung pangalan mismo ng sa ating server. And then, i-click natin yung printers. Then, right-click, add new printer. So, once na nandito ka na sa Network Printer Installation Wizards, iti-check natin yung add new printer using an existing port. Okay? Select natin siya. And then, after that, click lang natin yung next. Wala na tayong babaguhin dito. Click next. Then, lalabas dito yung printer installation natin. Mamimili tayo kung anong printer ba yung gusto natin gamitin. So, magpiprint lang naman tayo virtually. Kaya kahit anong printer po pwede dito. So, brother, and then click natin itong, sabihin natin, eto, class type 4. Wala namang problema dyan. Click natin yung next. Once nakapili tayo ng printer, make sure lang na nakashare this printer. Okay? And then, click next. Ayan. Once na makapag-install na tayo ng printer, select lang natin yung printer na ating in-install. Right-click. Tingnan natin dito sa properties. Okay, sharing port. Siguraduhin lang natin na naka-check itong list in the directory. So, once na-check natin yan, click apply, and then click OK. After nun, select natin ulit yung printer na in-install natin. Okay. Right-click. Deploy with group policy. So, i-browse lang natin yung group policy. Ang kukuhanin natin yung admin. Okay. And then, click OK natin siya. Deploy with group policy. And then, check natin yung users that this GPO applies to. And of course, the computer that this GPO applies per machine. And i-click natin yung add. Okay? And then, after nyan, isasama pa natin yung sa IT department. Okay? So, i-click natin yan. Ayan. Click add. And then, i-apply natin. Okay. And then, click okay. Once na matapos na natin i-deploy yung ating na-install na printer, pwede na tayo mag-print within the network. Okay? I hope you learned something sa video na to. Hanggang sa mga susunod na pagkikita, paalam!